ControlAir Systems is a full-service HVAC mechanical contractor based out of Burlington, Massachusetts. We service Massachusetts as well as southern New Hampshire, providing solutions from design, build, installation, service, and maintenance.
We have a ductwork installation team, piping and controls installation team, and a service and maintenance team.
We're problem solvers in the HVAC industry. We like to help people. The more you can do in-house, the better off you can be. So we fabricate our own sheet metal to just deal with one person, one company.
We're constantly looking to build people up, constantly looking to push the company to new grounds. We are an organization, we come together, we collaborate. That's where our successes come from.
There's no big egos in this company. Every single person is approachable. Everybody has something to offer, and everybody is part of a team, part of a family business. And that's the way it's been ever since I started back in 1977. We don't duck from an emergency. We don't duck from anything. We stick to it. We don't quit.
It's not this project that I'm most excited about. It's the future that we have together ahead. We are something different, and we are a lifelong partner that they're going to really enjoy working with.
So our clients know that when you're working with us, you're getting genuine people who are transparent, honest, and are there with you throughout every step of the way. We have a lot of repeat business for our customers, and likewise, we have a lot of employees who have stayed here for 10, 20, 30 plus years. It's because they feel a part of that culture and a part of this community that really makes it a lot more fun.